everybody, welcome back to my channel. I got a huge care package from Debbie, the owner and creator of clearjellystamper.com, and well, I guess it's not just .com. She has like stampers, stamping polishes, and everything. So this was one of the items I received. So you can see it's so good. In this case, it's like magnetic. And inside of it, oh, here's the pastel stamping polishes. It comes with 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 pastels. And up here is their information, Facebook, Instagram, and Twitter. And you can show off your gorgeous work with the hashtag. And there's also a few other hashtags you can use too. So this is it. And they come in this nice box. And it's like squishy. And you just take them out like this. You can also remove this too if you want to store more polish, because this is a really nice box. And see, and it holds them all in there nicely, and you can like stack them up if you get more collections, because there's a rainbow one, the pastel, and I think there's a larger one also. I'll have the links down below for you to check them out. So I'm going to get some pop sticks and swatch these and see how good the pastel colors are. So for the pop sticks, I just put on some Sinful Colors, black on black. And for the white, I did Pure Eyes Superstar. So I'm just going to let these dry because I forgot to do them. Obviously, I forget everything. So hold on. Stamper I'm using is the Big Bling Stamper. The best, my favorite. And I also got the pink one. I will be doing a review on that one. Here is a quick look at it. And it actually comes with a marshmallow stamper head. I did not know that until she pointed it out. And it's awesome. People asked for it, and hey, guess what? She put it in there. So that's really nice. And I can't wait to try it out. I'm going to also, obviously I'm going to be more like wanting to use the clear stamper because I'm super used to it still. But marshmallows are always nice. Good for decals also. I am also going to be using the Clear Jelly Stamper Plate number 28, Geolicious. Okay, and we're going to go with number 64. And this one is called New Bud. It is a light green. You always want to make sure that they are mixed up, because maybe they were sitting or on one side too long, and you want to get all the pigments mixed up because these are very pigmented polishes. So always give a nice, good mix. And just apply it to the plate. There's different ways to scrape and apply polish, but this is how I do it. And you scrape, pick up, and apply it to, I guess it would help if I could see, to the pop stick. This looks really nice. It's almost like a yellowish green. Very pretty. Stamps well over black, which means it will be very good over dark colors. It's always nice. And just cleaning with the lint roller. Next up is number 65. This is Bambina Peach. It was named after Bambina Nails over on Instagram if you want to go and check her out. She is amazing. Once again, mix it and I'll apply it. Look at that one. That one is beautiful. I love it. Peaches are always peach colors are always very pretty and so well over the black. That's really great. Next up is number 67, and this is Secret Garden. It's a really light pink. Absolutely pretty. Next up is number 68, and this one is called Soft Bloom. Very pretty, also light pink. It goes well with so many colors. Pastels, I absolutely love them. This one is beautiful. Like I said, a bit darker pink, yet still pastel and light. Now, number 70. This is Magnolia. It is a beautiful light yellow. Next is number 71, Flirty Flamingo. Look at that. It's a bright pastel pink. Goes great with all the other shades of pink. You can put them together. It'd be really, really nice. Look at that one. That one is nice and bright over these. That's great. Flirty Flamingo. And last up is number 76, Morning Dew. And this is a light blue. Absolutely perfect pastel and beautiful. You can hear my daughter Lillian yelling at her little sisters. She thinks she's the boss. And here's a look at all the nail polishes again. I will have pictures at the end. I hope you enjoy. I have a discount code down below in the description box. Please feel free to use. Have a great day, and I will be back with more reviews. Bye!